Clean design does not mean flat design. Subtle micro-texture can elevate minimal layouts instantly. Today, how to create minimal grain overlay. Launch Photoshop and start a 1920 by 1080 canvas with a soft beige or light gray background. Add a new layer filled with 50% gray. Apply Add Noise at 35% Gaussian monochromatic. Change blend mode to soft light. Duplicate the layer and slightly rotate it to avoid uniformity. Reduce both layers' opacity to around 25 to 30%. Apply Gaussian blur at 0.4 pixels to soften digital sharpness. Group the layers and toggle visibility to compare the enhancement. The result is a refined green overlay that adds realism with